Hi guys, so it's minimalist organizing day number 1. Today we're going to tackle all my beauty products, makeup, hair care, skincare, you name it, I got it. So we are going to tackle it. I mean, I'm kind of ashamed to show you how much products I have. I used to have a salon, so I kind of like collected all this stuff. But now I'm ready to just make my life as simple as possible. So we are going to have 3 piles, keep, give away, throw away. And yeah, let's just get started. So this is my makeup station. I have all things makeup in there, brushes, foundations, and then I have like the extra makeup that I use on a daily. And we have these bins of extra beauty products we really got to go through. All right, draw number 1 done. I mean, it doesn't look very nice, but it's organized. That's what matters, and what I don't want is not in there. Next draw. Lipstick draw. Okay. So I'm editing the video right now and I realized I didn't record an outro. Maybe because I was so frustrated. Doing this makeup cleanup and beauty products was very time consuming and like very stressful. And I feel like that was just round 1 because I need to go through it again and again, like at least 3 times. I got a lot of stuff. Like I literally have 2 full bags of stuff that I'm giving away or throwing away. And like I said, I think I need to do it like 2 more times and I'll be satisfied. But it is a process, and it's an all day thing. You can do it in 1 day, but it's all day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll probably do part 2 to see like how I'm really going to get rid of more and not be so attached to certain things, because certain things I'm really attached to. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Be bold, be brave, and be a beast at what you do.